Hey, my besties, how you doing? How you feeling? I pray all is well in your world and welcome back to Queen Bee TV. In today's video, we are cleaning the kitchen and dishes as always. Also some shopping. If this is the kind of content you like or just need some motivation to get started or you just need some entertainment, then stop what you're doing and hit that subscribe and become a part of the Bestie crew. You're gonna definitely like it here. To my OGs and my new news, what can I say about y'all? But I love you, love you, love you. I appreciate you. I thank you for rocking with me. Now, you know what it is and you know what we do. Let's get it. Hello, besties. Went to Walmart, picked up some butter croissants, Tropicana orange juice, 2.5 gallons of milk. Picked up this Dove Men Care Moon Oasis. It's for Taiwan, as well as the deodorant, body wash and deodorant. Picked up some a 6-pack of Squirt, 2 of the orange frosted cupcake things, some non-bites garlic flavored for my Lunchables. I got me some crunchy donuts, pepperoni for Jada. This is pepperoni and salami for me and Preston. Excuse me. And some mild cheddar cubes, some Yoo-Hoo, Mountain Dew, and Pepsi. And that is all for the haul. I'll put it away. Now, don't come for me because I didn't send for you. I know my kitchen is a mess. That's why I'm filming it and showing it to you. I'm just a regular lady with a job. And this is what happens when I clean and then I cook and then I have to clean again. So enjoy the dishes montage. Don't you hate it when you got all the dishes clean and there's one left?
been thinking about you day and night. Ever since I saw you with your deep blue eyes, there was something that I just couldn't deny. Something starts to burst in my chest deep inside. Why do love like this hurt? Oh my God. It feels like I'm gonna cry. It feels like I'm about to die. If I can't have you, and I wanna be alone with you. Alone with you, my love. So I can show you what I'm gonna do. Alone with you, my love.
All right, Jada.
The only one that can stop my heart from burning up. Why do love like this hurt? Oh my God. It feels like I'm gonna cry. It feels like I'm about to die. If I can't have you, and I wanna be alone with you. Alone with you, my love. So I can show you what I'm gonna do. Alone with you, my love. Oh, alone, yeah. Alone. Why do love like this hurt? Yeah. Alone. Why do love? And I wanna be alone with you. Alone with you, my love. Yeah. I can show you what I'm gonna do. Alone with you, my love. Why do love like this hurt? Why do love like this hurt? Yeah. I think I need good chat therapy. My little safe haven of conversation.
Hello, besties. Small haul. We picked up some family fun chips. You see the flavors. We went to Walmart. I picked up, what is this? The Activia Black Cherry and Vanilla for Jada. And we got some, what are these things? Mixed fruit jello, Land O'Lakes honey butter. I picked me up a salad for my lunch for work tomorrow. Half a gallon of, no, that's a full gallon of milk. I found the Chessman brown butter pecan. I'm going to try these. I'm praying they're delicious. Sleepy time melatonin. The 36 count eggs. Then shout cookies for the kiddos. And regular butter. These chocolate chipper things for Jada and Michaela. And applesauce for Judah. Brown and served sausage. And 2 of the cases of beef oodles of noodles. And we got the Kool-Aid Jammer 30 pack, some Sunny Delight, a case of Pepsi, and a case of Mountain Dew. And that's all for the haul.
Now it's time to put it all away.
Hello, besties. Here is a haul. We went to Walmart. We went to Giant Eagle. This is Fruity Dino Bites. This is Cookie Crisp cereal. 3 Minute Maid juices. Strawberry fruit punch. Tropical punch. 2 of the 9-inch graham cracker crusts. A quart of 1% and 2 half gallons of 1%. Picked up some lunch meat. We got some salami. This is honey roasted turkey and brown sugar ham off the bone. Sliced cheese. 2 things of Go-Gurts. Cherries. Peaches. No. These are nectarines. 2 bunches of bananas. Some Philadelphia cheesecake, no bake cheesecake. I'm gonna have some cherry cheesecake tonight.
Ooh,
and some Honey O's. I like this cereal, so I picked that up. A loaf of the brioche bread and 2 of the regular white bread. And Jada got her some Wingstop. That is all for the haul. Now it's time to...
Can't remember. It's on the tip of my tongue though. Put it all away.
Where we make space and ease our frustrations. Continuation for days and days, and I can just say it, no explanation needed. We just understand what.
Hello, besties. Very, very tiny haul. Went to Aldi's. I got brown sugar, a block of cheese, some ground meat, tomatoes, lettuce, these cheese dip cracker stick things, some Big Dipper tortilla chips, a hint of lime tortilla chips, cucumber, some queso, ketchup, sugar, and the dupe chicken, the dupe nuggets for Chick-fil-A. And that's it. Expensive tiny haul. Let's put it away.